We're making shortbread cookies, and I guarantee that you have everything on hand to make them. It only takes 4 ingredients. And it's just the perfect cookie to make for the holidays. I'm starting out with 4 sticks of butter. I like to use salted butter because I like a little bit of a salty note to my shortbread cookies. And you just wanna be sure it's really soft, and I'm gonna cream that together with some sugar. That's what you want. You can see how fluffy that looks. It looks like marshmallow cream. Now I'm gonna add in my vanilla. I'm gonna get my vanilla mixed in and then add in the flour. That's it. This dough is pretty soft, and this recipe was developed to put in a cookie press. I'm gonna take a guess and say you probably don't have a cookie press. I for sure don't. So we are going to roll out our dough. So I'm gonna flour my surface. This might need just a tad bit of flour to help roll it out. Start with about half of my dough, flour my rolling pin, and roll it out. These are not gonna spread that much, so you wanna roll it to about the thickness that you want the end product to be. I'm gonna start with some rounds. Any excess dough, you can just re-roll. My favorite cookies in that blue tin that we know so well are the ones with that crunchy sugar on top, so that's what I'm gonna do to these before I bake them. I'm just gonna give them a little sprinkle and then put them onto an ungreased baking sheet. 350 degrees for about 10 minutes. You do not want these to be browned. As soon as you see them start to get a little light golden on the bottom, they done. Look at these perfect little treats. So tender and buttery. They're definitely gonna melt in my mouth, I can already tell you that. A little crunch of the sugar is so delightful. And I'm really glad I used the salted butter because it pairs with that little sugar, it's so good. They're simply sweet, super easy to make, and so delicious. Skip the tin this year and make your own shortbread cookies. You can do it. Nothing to see here.